Okay, in this video, what we're going to be talking about is a new product that has just launched, which is called ytevolution. Now, in this ytevolution review, I'm going to show you exactly what this product does, give you feedback on how it actually works, and sort of let you know why you would actually want this product. Now, if it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe. I've got some amazing things coming out in the near future. And if you're interested at the end of this video of getting ytevolution, I have left a link in the description. There will also be some more information about all the bonuses that you will get if you use that particular link. So ytevolution, what is it? Well, if you are into things like affiliate marketing, or if you're into data scraping, or if you're into things like that, this is a simple way that you can create automated websites based off YouTube videos. Then they don't have to be yours, which is really interesting. And you can potentially drive traffic to a lot of offers, right? So it might sound a little bit confusing, but I've actually created a site and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But basically what it's doing is allowing you to use other people's efforts in a legal way, where you can actually create a website of embedded videos, use the information on the descriptions to use as keywords and long tail keywords and all the SEO juices that are in them, and drive traffic, right? So it's a very, very interesting concept. I would have never thought of it myself. So the founder, Chris, he's an absolute gun at this sort of thing. He's created this awesome plugin, and right now it's actually in beta launch. So you can actually get it at $97 rather than $297, which it's going to go to very shortly. So make sure you check it out if you are interested. Once again, there's links in the description. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm actually going to jump behind the screen and I'm going to show you how this program works. Okay, here we are. Now, first of all, this is the ytevolution page. I thought I'd just put this out there right now because I know a lot of people would actually benefit from the software. At the moment, this is currently $97. It's on the launch sale. As you can see, we're saving $200. So if you do see this while it's still in the launch phase, make sure you check it out. Once again, the link's in the description. And if you do, I'll throw over some extra bonus training just for you. So that's there if you guys want it. Just make sure you don't go to any of the wrong pages. I know there's a few shady people mimicking pages and selling other crap on the internet. So make sure you use the link in the description. So what it actually does, this is a website that I built in, I believe, about 30 minutes using ytevolution. The really good thing about this is this here is an affiliate link, this here is an affiliate link, and if I actually go into one of the articles, on every bottom of every article, this is also an affiliate link, right? So what this is now doing is I've set it up. It's all ready to go. It already comes pre-given with terms of service, privacy policy, disclosure, all of this sort of stuff. All you need to do when you first get it is do the about page and add in all the settings, right? So the easiest way to explain what it does is actually show you. So on this particular channel's targeting, what I've done is I've chosen this brand new YouTube channel called Be Elevated. Basically, this website, as you can see, is all about manifestation and meditation, that kind of thing. And I found this sort of generic type of niched YouTube channel. Basically, it's all about law of attraction. It's all about particles, manifesting, awakening, that sort of stuff. So it's a perfect sort of alignment for what I'm trying to do. And what the ytevolution program is actually doing is it's taking the YouTube video, right? And it's embedding it into a brand new blog post. Like so, and it's actually taking the description of the entire the YouTube video's description and all the information, and it's posting it in here, right? And the reason this is so powerful is because this channel, or this particular one, is sort of always writing in information about you know, what the video is about, as well as linking to relevant articles, right? Which in this case is to do with, you know, his channel, different channels, other videos on it. So it's creating its own sort of omni sort of presence platform. And the good thing about ytevolution is every time that this particular channel posts, it's going to automatically create this blog post, right? Which is, it's pretty incredible. This complete website is fully automated from here on in. Think about that for a second. So basically what will happen over time as this website gets bigger and bigger, more articles keep going out, it's going to actually start ranking for long tail keywords, right? So if someone was looking up God particles to manifest lightning fast or something like that, how to use God particles to manifest lightning fast, if they searched it on Google, no doubt this video would probably pop up. But also would this article, if that makes sense. So if someone didn't want to read, if someone didn't want to watch a YouTube video, this would actually show up on Google as well, this website, this blog post, which is really cool. And once they get here, they'll land on this page, then they'll see relevant information, relevant offers, so like manifest life your dreams. They'll be like, oh, that's interesting. They might see a soul reading for free. They're like, oh, that's interesting. Or they might get to the bottom and see this one and they're like, oh, that's interesting. Click on that and I've got free traffic to my affiliate offer. See how powerful that is? Now, the really good thing about this as well is it's not limited to one channel. You've actually got this option here where you can put in multiple channels. So I've got here Great Meditation is another one. So if I Google search Great Meditation, like so, and I filter it for, it's just here anyway, which is easy. I've actually set it up to scrape videos from this account as well. So if you look through the website, you will actually find, what was this called? This thing, Clear Mind Present. If you come back to the homepage, you'll actually find this article somewhere in here. The other channel's posting loads, so the other one's getting pushed down. It's somewhere in here anyway. It's in one of these different articles. So what it's doing, some positive energy, 2 days ago, that'll be there. Some positive energy. See, it's automatically posting, right? And all of the information. So this is basically creating a automated website with your affiliate links added. And what it's doing is allowing you to just set these up. It takes about half an hour to get things looking really, really, really nice. And then you just let them run. So the founder of this particular program, Chris, he's been doing mass marketing for a very long time. He actually created a CBD channel, which was able to create 50K in a year using this particular strategy and tool. So imagine if you decided to create, 30 minutes a week, you wanted to allow for this, and you created a new website every week. Imagine if you did it for a year, how much potential income you could get from this, right? Of course, it all comes down to things like the offers you're choosing, the channels you choose, things like that. But you've got a really good chance of actually creating this type of content, which is really cool. Now, there's actually one additional thing that I want to show you, and that is the training. So when you get started, you come to this dashboard here and you've got all of the different training to set up. So it's extremely easy to do, guys. It's nothing hard at all. One interesting thing that does happen when you sign up though, is you get the option to have Evo Cloaker. Now, I'm not sure if this offer is going to be around forever. He said he wasn't going to open the doors forever, I don't believe. But basically what it does is once your channel starts actually ranking, or once your website starts ranking on Google, what Evo Cloaker does is it's actually going to redirect all of your traffic to any type of offer that you actually have. So let's just say I wanted to bypass anyone actually going to my website and take them straight to this offer here. What Evo Cloaker will do is it will filter through the traffic coming to your website, and if it's a bot and things like that, it's actually going to take it to the pages that they click on. But if it's a real user, it's actually going to direct them straight to the offer rather than to your web page, right? So it's a bit of an interesting tool. He said he's got something like 10 million IP addresses, so it definitely knows which ones are Google robots or Bing robots or that sort of thing, and which ones are real people. But he said this paired with the Evo Cloaker paired with the ytevolution plugin/theme actually has allowed him to get that CBD 50K website really quickly. Less than a year, already making 50K just from one site, and he said he's made dozens of these sites. So it's a really powerful tool. It is very specific and very niche. Not everyone's going to want to use this particular thing, but it is an extremely powerful tool at that. I mean, I was blown away to see how fast I could build this website. Obviously, I created this ugly looking logo in Canva. I made this literally whole thing in less than an hour. And all I did that was extra to this page was add in some categories, and these are the categories here. Everything else is already pre-made. You already get the disclosure page made. You already get the privacy policy page made. You already get the terms of service page made. I copied these directly from the ad network, which is ClickBank. These were all in the offers there. But everything else self-populated. I didn't have to do anything. Everything was completely automated. It's a really, really powerful tool. If you're into this sort of thing, I highly recommend checking it out. Once again, the link is in the description if you want to get started. What I'm going to do right now is just quickly jump behind the screen one more time, finish up with a few extra notes. Okay, so that was ytevolution. As you can see, it is a pretty powerful tool. It does do some amazing things. And if you are interested in creating automated websites that can create a passive type of income, then I highly recommend you check out ytevolution. It is on sale right now for $97. It is going to go up in price to $297 eventually. At the moment, you also get access to the Evo Cloaker if you want to get that. It's a bit of a bonus that you can get. But that's pretty much it, guys. ytevolution, it's a very unique tool that I've never seen before, and no doubt it's going to get massive results once the students actually start using it. It is once again launched, so there's not too many case studies out there. So if you want to be one of those case studies, this could be your chance. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this ytevolution review. Once again, if you want to get started, check out the link in the description. It's also going to give you a few extra bonuses, so make sure you check that out. And that's it for me, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more product launches, and I will see you on the next video.